Hello students, this is Madhavi and today we are going to discuss an interesting topic and the topic name is an algorithm. Today in this session we are going to see the definition of algorithms and we are going to see characteristics of algorithm. So students, tell me, what do you know about algorithm? Suppose in your day-to-day life, if you want to do any type of task or any type of work, what you are doing? To do that work or to do that task, you need to follow some type of steps and that step should be one after another. Okay, so this is a definition of an algorithm, but this is an informal definition. So in our next slide we are going to see some formal definition of an algorithm. So what do you mean by algorithm? Formally, an algorithm is a finite set of instructions that is followed to, to accomplish a particular task. Second definition, you could say an algorithm is a step-by-step process for performing some action or for solving particular task or a problem. Means we are going to use an algorithm for solving some type of problem in our computer science. An algorithm is a set of rules a machine follows to achieve a particular goal. In this third definition, you can say or you could say that machine is especially a computer. For any type of algorithm, there are number of inputs you need to submit for the process. So that input would be 0 in number or there would be more than 1 inputs would be there for an algorithm. So that input you need to submit to a process. In that process there are finite number of steps present for solving any type of problem. Okay, that process should give you some type of output. Means in algorithm there are three tasks present. First is what? Input or input list. Second is what? Process. And third is what? Output or output list. So all these are what? All these are formal definition of an algorithm. So in next slide we are going to see the characteristics of algorithm. So first characteristics of an algorithm is input. So for any type of algorithm there should be 0 or more but finite number of inputs externally supplied. Means for an algorithm there could be 0 number of inputs or there could be more than 0 input. Means if you consider an algorithm for swapping of two numbers, in that case we have to give two numbers as an input. But if you want to display any type of static message, then there is no input for that algorithm. So this is our first characteristics. What is the second characteristics? Okay, second characteristics is what? Output. So any algorithm should produce at least one output and that output should be desirable output. Means it is not like any type of output, it should be desirable output. Third characteristic of an algorithm is definiteness. Each instruction should be clear and unambiguous. Means whatever the instructions present in an algorithm, that all instructions should be unambiguous. Means it should not there should not be an instruction like if a is greater than 0 then go to this step or go to this step. Means there should be only one step. Means if a is equal to 0 then go to step number 7. Okay, means whatever the instructions present in your algorithm, that should be clear. Means from that instruction there should be only one meaning present, there should not be more than one meaning. Okay, this is all about what? Third characteristics. What is the fourth characteristics? Fourth characteristics is about finiteness. Means if we trace out the instruction of an algorithm, then for all cases the algorithm terminates after a finite number of steps. Means it should not be like that your algorithm, if you will run that algorithm, that it will go in infinite loop. Means there should be whatever the steps present in your algorithm, there that all steps should be in finite number. Means your algorithm should end somewhere. It should not be like that it will go, it is going on and on and on. Means your number of instructions should be in finite number. The last characteristic of an algorithm is effectiveness. Every instruction must be very basic so that it can be carried out in principle by a person using only pencil or paper. What it means? It means that your algorithm is so much simple or so much effective that if any person will follow your algorithm and he's having only paper or pencil, then he can go through your algorithm by using only pencil and paper. Okay, this is known as effectiveness of an algorithm. Your algorithm should be that much simple. So all these are 5 characteristics of an algorithm. So in this session we had seen the definition of algorithm and characteristics of algorithm. Okay, so today we are going to end our session here only. Thank you very much. If you are having any question, you can place it in comment box. Thank you.